I am a Minecraft player and I use T-Launcher to launch the game. My friends say the T-Launcher is a spyware, so I tried to build my own. Then I created a project and waited for Gradle to finish its work. After 2 hours of waiting, I created a Java class and started coding. I finished the code and hit run, and then this happened. After fixing that issue, I hit run again. After that, I got this error. Then I realized that this is not going to be easy. And then I did some research. After eating all of that knowledge, I tried again. After all of that mess, I hit run again. This time I got more errors and fixed them. And at the last, I got success. Thank you.